Alright guys, today we have a 2005 Honda Accord. This is a V6 3.0. Alright, so this car, the AC was not working and I checked a few things. What I did was I opened the valve here, the low side. Let me bring my light over. So what I did was, first, I knew there shouldn't have been no issue with this, because as soon as I put the AC on, both fans kicked in and you could feel the load on the engine, but the AC compressor down here was not coming in and this line was not cold. This line should be cold. All right, so what I did was, if you have a Honda Accord, if you have both fans coming on, you probably have a similar problem. All right, just to make sure, just press this little valve inside here. You should have pressure in there, all right, just like that. And not just this car, any other car, check this, you know, it should have pressure in there. If it don't have pressure in there, and I forgot to put this back in before the car heads out. All right, so anyways, it has AC Freon in there, R134. Both fans over here come on. And the problem with this car, what I discovered was, most of these Hondas, Acuras have a similar problem. Over time, the relay for the AC compressor gives up. All right, so if you have a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord V6 or V4, what you can do is look into this relay right here, right? This is a relay for magnet clutch, which is the AC compressor. If you look in here, hopefully you can see this. The light is too bright. Right there, you see like a little frosting, like a snowflake. All right, just follow these. These are 3 relays, 2 and a 3. All right, what you could do is you could take a relay from right here, swap it with this, see if it engages this to this. But this is, you don't want to leave the bad relay there if it does work, so put a new relay in. All right, or you could take this one. All right, these are the fan relays, the 2 fans. This is the AC fan relay, this is the radiator fan relay. So you take this relay, swap it with this. All right, if it comes on, very good. If it doesn't, you got to go more further into it. Also right here, this red fuse, this 7.5 amp fuse right here, right next to this green relay, is an AC fuse relay. All right, I mean, not an AC fuse relay, AC fuse. All right, this is for the AC compressor, which does control this relay. So check this fuse and check this relay, guys. You might have a small simple problem, such as this relay is bad or the fuse is bad. All right, I've done so many of these. You probably go through my channel, you will see so many videos on this. All right, so I put a relay in there and it's been working good. All right, and I got a whole bunch of relays in stock just for Hondas and Acuras. All right, guys. And after that, if your AC does come on, that thick line over there, the low pressure line on that end, which is this one right here, if it kicks in, you will hear the compressor kick in. And this line right here, this fat line, will get cold and you will see water on it, moisture, which is normal. All right, guys, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, and if you have any other problems, you can please send me a message. Also, check to see if both fans work. All right, both fans do need to work in and when the AC kicks in. All right, and it's a simple job. All right, just do this. You can save yourself hundreds and hundreds of dollars. A lot of people, a lot of mechanics, they'll replace your AC compressor just because the relay is bad. You know, they won't even tell you that the relay is bad. You know, there's mechanics, good mechanics out there, there's bad mechanics out there. But if your relay is bad, your AC compressor is not going to work, and obviously your AC is not going to work. All right, guys. And a lot of mechanics, what they do is they jump into the AC compressor. AC compressor doesn't come in. They don't even check if there's power going to it. They'll change the compressor, or they charge the system up with AC gas, and then they'll scratch their head. The relay is bad. Then they'll just swap a relay just to make the job clean up. You know, it's a good job. All right, guys, and thank you. Subscribe, and if you like my videos, please share it with your friends and have everyone subscribe to my channel. I have great videos coming up. And I can always help you with anything, check engine codes, anything that you need help with. Okay, guys, thank you and bye bye. See you on the next one.